There's actually some things in Limelight that I wish were in Excel. So like there's some spreading features that you can do evenly across months, for example. So if we are amortizing something, I'll just enter the full amount and it'll do the math and spread that for me. If you put in some amounts and you want to actually increase it, let's say, you're just looking and you're like, oh, I think that should be about 10% higher. You can use that functionality in there as well. So there's a lot of different items that you can use within Limelight that Excel, to my knowledge, doesn't have. Limelight really did impress me with their transparency, their communication. And I think that's really important. And I've got to meet a lot of the team at various conferences as well. And they're even more lovely in person. So I would definitely recommend them. And if you do have issues, they're so quick to reply. And that's really what I'm looking for.